This is Letters to Momo, letter number 19, October 11th, 2010. My dearest brother Momo, say goodbye. Allow the river of life to flow, washing away the waters that you see, so that you can see those that are before you that you haven't yet seen, and the ones that are yet to come. I was just sent this little excerpt in an email, and I thought I would share it with you. It speaks of endless virtue when you realize that the easiest way to live life is to make a conscious effort to experience life, to let it flow just as it needs to, with the utmost faith and realization that everything is as it should be. If we do that, we are then able to say goodbye to the things that we are holding us, to say goodbye to the things that are holding us back from this present moment. Nothing is for certain in this life. Nothing holds itself permanently. And so learning how to say goodbye with a smile on your face is essential towards learning how to live. Saying goodbye allows a river to flow, and what's more, to bring in the new tide of hope, virtue, love, reality, and consciousness that desires to be properly internalized through acceptance. In this new context of yours, there are too many things you can say goodbye to. Too many things. And that, if you follow the excerpt, is freedom redefined, because that means that your present context is granting you the parallel opportunity to receive many new tides and many new waters as you say goodbye to the old ones. If you choose to see with the heart in this new environment, you will magnify the truth of the new tide and connect to its infinite source of wisdom. The new tide will show you that you deserve absolutely everything just by being alive. If you make a decision now in your heart to accept this paramount headliner, then you will see the magic flow into your life. The era of wanting, of needing, of not deserving is fully over. In comes a brand new tide of fruitful possibility, one that only needs your conscious acknowledgement and conviction in order to flourish. Whatever you envision, wherever you choose to see it as done. Give thanks for it as if it had already happened, and then you will see it happen just like that. You must, through your heart, acknowledge that your external world will reflect your internal world perfectly. Choose abundance and rid yourself of all negative thoughts. Make this your new river and ride it with a smile. Choose abundance through your heart's acknowledgement, and invite the perfection of your current context into your heart. I love you with all my heart, and today, let me walk with you.